Hello everyone, it's Saturday 24th July and the time right now is 3:15 p.m. and the temperature is positive 21 degrees Celsius. Today I am at Jasper National Park and right now I am at the famous Athabasca Falls.
And then, this was like back when we were like,
Athabasca Falls trail actually is a very famous where you can see the falls like many viewpoints.
Hi!
Hi!
Welcome to my vlog!
Hi! Yes, it is one of the tourist attraction in Jasper National Park, and right now you can see all the tourists from different country, different province of the Canada. And I think the Athabasca Falls has like, it's actually 3 hours walking tour. So I tried to show you guys the main point of the falls. And as you know, the Alberta facing like the wildfire smoke very badly, so all the mountains are very blurry because of the smoke. I been here like 1 year ago. This is my second time in Athabasca Falls. Look at the crowd. Oh my god. Wow, just look at the view from the mountain to falls. Okay, let's go to another viewpoint. So I already mentioned you guys, Athabasca Falls is like a trail. So it's a 3 hours. You need 3 hours to see all the viewpoint. And right now it's lots of tourists in Alberta. And one more thing I want to mention you guys, so because many people just keep me asking why there is no mask, because there is no mask required in Alberta province right now, even though it's indoor. Only it's public transit like sea train or bus, you have to wear mask. So here you can see I think you already heard the sound of the like water flow. And today is Saturday and like it's too busy. From here you can see another viewpoint actually. Look at the beautiful creek. Let's go to another lookout. So this trail has like, I think there is something special on this rock. That side, I'm not going on that side, sorry, because I have to walk 10 minutes more to see the viewpoint. So I will take a detour and show you guys another viewpoint.
That's always wonderful. She asked me, how deep do you think that is?
Wow, this place is, look at the stairs. It's like in between two big rock. So they made the stairs for the access of the another side of the falls. Wow. You can see the stairs here. I can feel the cold comes from the stone. Oh, so I think it's only one people can. Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Hi. I have to wait, guys, until
Watch out.
okay, finally I got the space. So this place is very scary too. If you sleep, you will die definitely, because it's all rocks. Here you can see the Athabasca river start from here. Oh, look at the space, how narrow it is. Yeah, and all the visitors will access this. Wow, look at the beautiful. And its water is almost like white and blue mix. So there is a stone beach over there. So always read the instruction and the signboard also. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like my vlog, give me a thumbs up and press the bell icon for new video updates. Let's go to another side before the crowd. As you can see, you have to wait one by one, because the trail is very high. Thank you. Oops, this is another entrance.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, ਇੱਥੇ ਵਧੀਆ ਜੀ ਅੱਛਾ ਪਹਾੜ ਦੇਖੋ
ਚੱਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਸੀ. Oops, look at the stair, how scary it is. So whenever you step your stairs, so be careful, always be careful. Oh, I think he's scared.
Yeah.
Oh, there is no space. I can.
Really?
Sorry. So here, wow, I can feel the wind, and the gentle breeze is so amazing, guys. Let's go on that side. Alberta is so beautiful, so beautiful. So I'm posting this video because many of you guys always like send me message, let me know in comment below, comment box, that you want to see some nature walk, some mountain view walk. So that's why I'm posting this video. Take care, stay safe, and have a nice day. So there is another thing I saw last time. I think this way, some stone, they make something with stone. So I forget the way. Actually it's pretty big trail. Thank you guys, have a nice day.